Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can update your laptop to Windows 11. Now here's the thing about Windows 11. It requires a lot of other settings that normally isn't available. For example, you will need TPM 2.0. You're going to need Secure Boot enabled. And without these, you won't be able to install Windows 11. Now, this obviously mine's a PC, but in case you're using a laptop, the update should be over here in Windows Update. You're supposed to have something called Update to Windows 11, and that's about it. If that format does not show up, your laptop is unfortunately backdated, and there is another way of upgrading, but if you do update, your PC is gonna be very slow. Even my PC, I experience frame drops from time to time as well as stutters, as Windows 11 is yet to be optimized. It is not as well optimized as Windows 10. So my advice, keep using Windows 10. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.